Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore how to assign tasks to specific collaborators in a Google Doc. So let's say that you've assigned students a research paper or any kind of argumentative essay or whatever, and they've turned in their rough draft on Google Docs. You've read through them and you have a list of suggestions for how they can make that paper better. What you can do is, in this quick menu, you can add a checklist, and as you enter new items on the checklist, a little box will appear next to them. And what this does is this gives the student a specific list of changes to make. You can even set it so that as they make each change, it will cross off that item from the list. And you can also assign it as a task. Right, so if I click on this little check mark, right, now I'm specifying that the person in charge of fixing the title be a specific person. Right, so even if this is like a group project, you can assign these specific tasks to different members of the group so they each have something to do. Right, so let's say I assign this item to one of the collaborators, and I need to assign a due date to it. The paper's due Friday, so Friday, February 3, 2003. I can assign that as a task. Little icon shows up indicating who that has been assigned to. If you hover over it, you can see the settings for that task, who has had that assigned to them, when it's due, who assigned it. You can edit it. Right? If you pop open a big window, this will open up the tasks bar on the right hand side, or left hand if you have it set to be on the left. I don't think you can do that though. And then you could assign it. All of these things can be assigned to different people as tasks. And really what it does is it gives them a nice list of things to do that they can't really argue about. It's been assigned to them. They should know that that is their task and that they need to complete it by the given due date. Just a really nice way to communicate to students or other collaborators what the expectations are for fixing the assignment or document and making it meet the standards that have been set for them.